Today's our Hindu editorial topic is market failure. New deal for agriculture needs good regulated markets ahead of private competition. Like here, like they were saying that a new deal for regulation means like not only like that. A new deal for regulation means like some of the agriculture goods and needs will be right. Like they must like not only for the purchasers but also for the farmers who grows those all the things, and but also like there some of people will take the all the agriculture goods privately and they'll sell for their happiness and for their own rates, and that will also damage some of the it can also damage so many of the things. So that is not good. Everyone must be treated equally, right? Because the farmer must be given very much importance than the others. So even for the people who take the private, like who take the agriculture group privately, like they must not always compete with the agriculturist. The ambitious initiative of Narendra Modi government to bring out far-reaching reform in agriculture has run into severe weather, mainly over fears the free market philosophy as its core could spell the end of MSPs of to produce that so far being centrally procured by the government. So now it's like in the Narendra Modi government to bring all the far-reaching reform, like to bring all the hardness and all the struggles with the farmers, like to bring all the to take an initiative steps for the farmers and different type of agriculturists, and bring out the farm parent using into agriculture, for trying all this, like some of the people had lost their patience and different type of things, and they were trying to get into like they were take those type of discussion into severe matter because of no one are caring whether it is good or not, like no one are thinking, like we became harsh towards the agriculturist. So after behaving these type of things, so the small thing became into a severe weather, mainly over fear that have free market philosophy. Like some of the political leaders and many of the leaders will say that like yeah, we want for free, like we know, right, yeah, I'm this, like they who the people will say like who will feel proud about themselves, and some of the fears, like some farmers have some fears, like whether the crop will grow or not, they'll have some fears, right? So for this all, like they want to everything must be taken into considerations, and everything must be procured by the government. An elite party minister, Harismat Kaur Badal, Akhil Das, Akali Dal has resigned in protest, and there is a strong pushback from farmers against three bills that seek to replace ordinary issues in June on key aspects of farm economy, trade in economical commodities, price stimulation, farm services including contracts, and stock limits for essential commodities. Harismrat Kaur, like he had resigned in project, like he had made his resignation in the protest, and like he also and farmer again. Also, he also want to push back from farmers against the three bills. Like he also want to push back some of the things, for like a push back some of the things have been centrally procured by the government. There were also some of the farmers also turned against the three bills, and they also discussed about to settle some of the things during some of the issues in June, and the on key aspects of farm economy, trade in agriculture commodities price. So even they also thought to make a protest or to make a discussion about the farm production, or like a prices and different type of things, and then about the family, the farm services, and including the contracts. The opposition to the bills, particularly on trade, flows from the position articulated by Punjab that agriculture and markets are state subjects and there should be no tinkering of MSP and Agriculture Produce Market Committee that form the backbone of existing trading arrangements. Like here they're saying that the opposition bills, the bills which are get from opposition. Bills particularly falls on the position of articulated by Punjab that agriculture and markets are shared subjects, and three should be tinkering with the MSP. Like they must everything must be agriculture products and different type of market things and market committees. Everything must be given in a, like everything must be formed like a backbone. Several Several states have already liberalized agriculture marketing, amending the APMC Acts, and some have allowed regulated private commerce, including direct marketing. So like even some of the people have like to take a private like they want to take a private selling, some of taking want to commercial selling or direct marketing. Yet provisions in the Farmer Produce Trade and Commerce Bill 2020 providing the unfettered commerce in designated trade areas outside APMC jurisdiction without heavy levy on any fee, and more generally empowering that state center to issue orders to states in furtherance of the law's objectives have alarmed states. So like they are saying that like without any like they have to empower the center, and everything in the, and they also have to issue some of the orders like which is somewhat like which they cannot even like which they cannot take by themselves. What are the orders they cannot follow, like everything must be issued to the government, and they also must be alert. A challenge has been mounted by Rajasthan declaring central warehouses as procurement centers under its APMC Act, and therefore required to pay a market fee to the state. So like they also are required to pay a market fee to the state. So like here a market fee to the state means like to have like most of the people doesn't take a good rate, right? Some will make some will take more like some will take to some will try to sell the estimated rates for more price, like they'll target like that, right? So this must also be avoided for by everyone. The Modi had characterized the arguments as misleading, promising that the MSP system will continue. This is welcome, but the new dispensation cannot bring cheer to small farmers who form the majority and who access levels to under markets under the APMC system are at the rate of one of an area of 434.48 square meters on average, well below the recommendation of the National Commission of Farmers and of one market for 80 square kilometers. So like to form like they want to form a majority of levels to the market and APM system, like they also want to make a rate of ground like 438.43 square kilometers. So they also had done a recommendation of the they also had done a recommendation to the National Commission on Farmers. When Bihar removed the APMC system, markets suffered loss of fee revenue with no significant private investments in the sector. So, like after some of the markets, like who did a private settlements or like who did a rash settlements or who had taken an extra money for the particular things, like everything must became a ban, and they also and everything must be so they also did not went for any other private investments in new market. If the center's intent is to strengthen competition, it should massively fund the expansion of the APMC market system, removing trades, cattles, and providing farmers good roads, logistic of a scale, and real-time information. So they are saying that like they must also provide some of the good roads and the transport facilities, and the market system are very good because they will, and everything must be like empowerment for the farmers. Rather than opt for the heavy centralization, or the emphasis should be empowering farmers through state farmers commission recommended by the NFC to bring about a speedy government response to the issues. Without strong institutional arrangements, laissez-faire policy have harmed lakhs of unorganized small farmers who have been remarkably protective and shored up the economy even during a pandemic. So like a laissez-faire policy, like this policy had harmed many of the unorganized small farmers. Like some of the farmers will settle their homes in the town, and some will settle there in the villages. Right, they will also shift from one place to another place. Right, so even in this pandemic, also so many farmers were not taking rest, and they were also giving their best to give for their country. During the decreasing of some of the amounts or decreasing of the prices, so these all made a harm, like they all had made a like is all had made a bad impact on the farmers, and like giving a loss for the farmers. So that's why they have mentioned it as a market failure during this pandemic. So here today's meanings are ambitious means like determined, forceful, aspiring, showing strong desire. Ambitious means like fixing a goal, ambitious goals for a business means like to have a strong goals, a forceful a targeting goal, targeting goals. Allied means relating to the members of an alliance, associated, combined. So allied means to associate with some other peoples. Ordinance means authoritative order, decree, a religious ritual. That's called as ordinance. Articulate means eloquent, fluent, communicative, a form, a joint. I found myself unable to join my feelings. It means that I found myself unable to articulate my feelings. I found that I was not that much easy to say about my feelings. I was not that much fluent to say about my feelings. I'm not that much communicative. Like I can't express my all the feelings. That's called as articulate. Tinkering means try to mend or improve, make small changes. It's called as tinkering. To change or to make a small change or to improve it, or making it better. Unfettered means like unrestrained, unrestricted, free, not doing anything forcefully. It's called as unrestricted. Baton means a stick, rod, staff, fan, a big rod or a hard thing. Spearheading means let attack or movement or head. Let an attack or who stood before an attack or before an harmful movement is called as a spearheading. Insight means institution, perception, understanding. Intuition means perception and understanding. That's called as insight. So these are today's meanings. Again, today the meaning of the heading is the market failure, which means like they had in this article they had spoken about the failures of farmers and how they were facing the losses in this pandemic. Thank you.